Oh, I'm back with a new video. Now today I'm gonna do my order from Polypet. I'll give you these orders. And you can log onto Facebook and be their friend. And then if you want to order stuff, this is the the address. Order at polypet.com.sg 6779 530. This is the telephone number. And then yes, the first thing is not related to my dog. My dog's not here. It's coming tomorrow. This is just some hamster food we got. It's also quite cheap. And the rest is for the dog, but the one thing is for the hamster and the dog. This is the Bark quality dog product. It's a biscuit for dog. It's very good and it's very strong. There's the chicken flavor. And it's just love this. I guess the dog will like it too. Okay. See? And yes, all the rest is for the dog. And first of all, we have these. This is just ear cleaning wipes. It's for dogs and cats. It's $11.25. There's 30 wipes in there. And then the other one is for also dogs and cats. Also $11.25. This is the eye cleaning wipe, both made from Japan. And then this is by 4 paws. This is $7. This is the pet nail file, recommended by veterinarians and professional groomers. It is specially contoured to fit all pet nails. It's for cat. I think it's for dogs and cats. Here's the picture. Okay, this is really creepy. Yeah, I think it's for dogs and cats. This is the picture. Oh, for all pets nails. So I guess it's for all animals. Next up, it's this by Earthbuff. Good for the planet. It's $19.25. Totally natural pet shampoo. This is just the shampoo, tailless and extra gentle, which is 472 milliliters. It's ooh, smells quite nice. It smells very dog-like. Yeah. Focus. There you go. And this other one, this other bottle, is this for, it's by Synergy Labs, which is a good product. Free ultra bitter spray. It's the most bitter stuff on earth. Yeah. This is just to keep them off biting the walls and stuff. And last one is this 3 pages by Yukonuba, yeah. And puppy small breed. It's just for 1 to 12 months. This is a puppy, and it's chicken flavor. And there's there's a few stuff I can show you for the dog. Where is it? Where's the dog stuff? Mama? Where's the dog stuff? No, the cage. Okay. Sorry. And there we go. This is the dog cage we got for him. And just upside down inside. And there's a few more stuff. Where's the stuff we bought from Pet Station? Oh, there. There we go. And this is also for the hamsters, not related to the dog. And this is the stuff we bought.